Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about head tattoos for girls. Head tattoos for girls can be a bold and unique choice. Some popular designs for head tattoo include delicate floral patterns, geometrical shapes, or even intricate mandalas. Definitely a statement look. That's awesome that you are looking about a head tattoo design. It can be such a cool and edgy way to express yourself. Have you thought about what kind of design or style you are learning towards for your tattoo? It's a big decision, but it can be so empowering to having a meaningful design in such a unique spot. Some popular head tattoo designs for girls include intricate floral patterns, elegant lace designs, like moons and stars, or even meaningful quotes or phrases. Mandala designs are also quite popular for head tattoos as they can look stunning and symbolize harmony and balance. So viewers, let's end the video here. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.